Conquer the Goldman Sachs Aptitude test and unlock your dream finance career with these essential strategies and tips. Goldman Sachs, a titan in the financial world, relies on its aptitude test to identify top talent. So let's break down how you can shine. This test primarily assesses three key areas: quantitative reasoning, logical thinking, and verbal comprehension. First, quantitative reasoning. This section tests your ability to interpret numerical data, perform calculations, and apply mathematical principles. Practice with sample problems focusing on arithmetic, data analysis, percentages, ratios, and basic algebra. Familiarize yourself with financial terminology and common business scenarios to boost your confidence. Next up, logical thinking. Here, you'll encounter problems requiring you to identify patterns, draw deductions, and solve abstract reasoning challenges. Think critically about cause and effect, and look for sequences or relationships within the data presented. Practice with as many different types of logical puzzles as possible to sharpen your analytical skills. Finally, verbal comprehension. This area evaluates your ability to understand written information, discern meaning, and make inferences from passages. Read carefully, identify the main idea, and pay close attention to details, tone, and the author's intent. Practice comprehension exercises with varying text complexities. To truly excel, consistent practice is paramount. Utilize official Goldman Sachs preparation materials, online assessment platforms, and study groups. Simulate test conditions by timing yourself during practice sessions to build stamina and manage your time effectively on the actual exam. Remember, preparation is the key to demonstrating your potential. By focusing on each of these core areas and dedicating time to rigorous practice, you can confidently approach the Goldman Sachs Aptitude test, proving you have the skills and mindset to succeed in this highly competitive recruitment process. Good luck.